sorry, it's not 4-bedroom. It was the door to the living room that I was counting as the 4, so it's 3. That was 1. This is the bedroom we just left. Hall to the kitchen. Bedroom, and then you have a bathroom. Full bath. With a stand-up shower. A little bit of bleach on that would take that right out. And if you didn't like this pattern, they make a paint that you can paint over these old tiles and it will stick. Because the tiles are in great shape. There's nothing wrong with them. Somebody colored on the cabinets. Uh-oh. And closet here inside.